In a groundbreaking collaboration, Skyrider Electric has joined hands with Don Bosco Technical School, Shilong, to establish an ultra-modern EV laboratory. This partnership aims to provide students with unparalleled access to cutting-edge electric vehicle technologies. Through this initiative, students at Don Bosco Technical School will gain a comprehensive understanding of electric vehicle technologies. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to soar, students who graduate from Don Bosco Technical School will be at the forefront of this transformative industry. Skyrider Electric and Don Bosco Technical School, shaping the future of electric mobility together.